All right, guys, so I'm back at it again. We're gonna dig some clay back here. I got the CK 2610 and we're gonna unload it, put the trailer somewhere here, and go pick up another trailer. All right, guys, so we got about 2 or 3 miles. We gotta go in that direction towards the river. We got the little dump trailer. And the plan is to haul material for 8 hours. So we'll see how things go. Alright, guys, so this is I guess the sketchiest part of the road. And it is a bit narrow, but it is a pretty big incline. The trailer's gonna have about 7,000 pounds plus its weight. So hopefully the truck can drag 10,000 pounds. A little bit bouncy there. And we gotta go on the other side of that hill over there. This is very hard clay. Piranha 2 bar works. All right, guys. As you can see, I got a good chunk of dirt or clay sticking up. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my shovel, just push it down, and I'm gonna figure out a way to put a tarp on there. All right, so I'm trying to find a spot don't have too many stones in it. So I think we can still take out a few more buckets here. All right, guys, so this is day 2. You know, it looks like a lot, but it really isn't. It's about 33, 34 yards. This last bunch that I brought, put a bit more in the trailer, and I'm trying to find a piece here. As you can see, this looks like a big old rock, but once you add water to it, it'll start disintegrating and it'll turn to basically this, you know, something easy to break down. So once I have, you know, 2 or 3 inches on there, I'll wet it down, compact it, put another layer on top. And it is a lot of clay. The pond is going to be from about there to about there, which is about 95 feet. From that tree to about right here, it's 50 feet, but you know, with the curvature there on the ground, it'll be about 60. So we'll call it 6,000 square feet. And so far, I only have enough to do a 6 to 7 inch clay liner, which will be a little bit thicker than this here. And I got 1, 2, 3, I believe 3.5 tons of bentonite, which is a plug bentonite. It's basically about this size instead of small stuff like this. You know, this looks like a huge rock once again, but that is clay. All this was from the same pile except the last 10 loads. This one right here was all shoveled by hand. This is basically 2 beds of my F-250. You can see it's a lot finer material, a lot smaller. But yeah, it's the beginning of the clay line pond project. And there's many videos out there online. You know, some people build like Bama Bass a 5-acre pond on a peanut farm or something like that. And they got other people that build them on the side of a hill in a ton of boulders. So hopefully this video will help those searching how to clay line a pond and that have soil similar to mine, which is sandy loam. And once again, these were the last piles. I think 1, 2, 3, and then 5 over there, and that one. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video, guys. And all right, guys, so I'm going to show you something. If I can reset this, 1,627 miles to get 36 loads. Spent about $400 on gas, or